Did you know that the average American spends over $1,000 during the holiday season? That's a lot of pressure, especially if you're running low on cash. But here's the kicker. What if I told you that in just 2 weeks, you could make enough money to cover all your holiday expenses and maybe even have some left over? Sound impossible? Stick around because I'm about to show you how. If you're scrambling for ways to make quick money before Christmas, this video is for you. Today, I'll share 9 fast and easy money-making ideas that anyone can do. And trust me, the last one is a total game changer. You don't want to miss it. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button. Next week, we'll explore more ways to increase your wealth. You won't want to miss it. Alright, let's dive in. Pay attention because these tips could save your holiday season. First, offer personal gift wrapping services. The holiday rush is real and people are scrambling to get everything done. That includes wrapping presents. Here's where you come in. Offering gift wrapping services from home or even at a local market can be a lifesaver for busy shoppers. Start by advertising on social media or community bulletin boards. You don't need much, just some wrapping paper, ribbons, and a creative touch. Pro tip, create premium wrapping options with fancy bows or eco-friendly materials. People are willing to pay extra for unique and elegant presentation. If you really want to stand out, offer delivery or pickup services. It's convenient, and convenience sells. Second, sell handmade crafts or decorations. If you have a creative side, now's the time to unleash it. From DIY ornaments to handmade wreaths or festive candles, holiday crafts sell like hotcakes during this time of year. Use platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, or even local holiday fairs to showcase your items. Here's a bonus. Personalized crafts like customized ornaments with names or dates can bring in even more cash. People love unique, sentimental items that add a personal touch to their celebrations. Don't forget to market these as limited edition for Christmas. This creates urgency and drives sales. Third, house sitting or pet sitting. Many people travel for the holidays, leaving behind empty homes or pets that need care. House sitting and pet sitting are simple ways to earn quick money. Advertise your services on apps like Rover, or through local community groups. Pet sitting in particular can pay well, especially if you're able to stay overnight or take pets into your own home. And let's be honest, playing with a furry friend while earning cash? Not a bad gig at all. Plus, if you're already home for the holidays, it's easy to fit this into your schedule. Keep watching because hustle number 5 will blow your mind. It's simple, fast, and perfect for the last-minute holiday rush. Fourth, holiday catering or baking. Everyone loves cookies, cakes, and festive treats, but not everyone has the time or skills to bake them. If you're handy in the kitchen, start selling baked goods for holiday parties and events. Christmas cookies, pies, or themed cupcakes are always in demand. You can also offer pre-cooked meals for busy families who want a homemade touch without the work. Don't forget to package your goodies attractively. Presentation is everything. You can even bundle treats into holiday gift baskets for added value. Advertise through local Facebook groups or apps like Nextdoor and watch the orders roll in. Fifth, resell unused items. The holidays are a perfect time to declutter and make some extra cash. Gather up gently used items, think clothes, electronics, toys, or home decor, and sell them online or at a garage sale. Apps like Poshmark, OfferUp, and eBay make it easy to connect with buyers. Pro tip, focus on items that make great gifts like gadgets or high-quality clothing. Highlight their condition in your listings to attract buyers looking for holiday deals. Still with me? Sixth, freelance holiday help. This is the season when businesses and individuals need extra hands for various tasks. Offer your services for tasks like assembling toys, putting up Christmas lights, or running errands. Many people will gladly pay for someone to help make their holidays stress-free. Apps like TaskRabbit can connect you to clients in no time. Pro tip, bundle your services into holiday packages. For example, offer light hanging, gift wrapping, and decoration setup as a single deal. The more convenience you provide, the more you can charge. Seventh, cash in on holiday photography. If you've got a decent camera, or even a good smartphone, you can earn money taking holiday photos. Families love professional-looking pictures for Christmas cards, but professional photographers often charge high rates. Offer an affordable alternative, set up a festive backdrop at home or a local park, and market your mini photo shoot sessions online. Bonus points if you can include pets in the photos. People adore holiday pictures with their furry friends. You don't need to be a pro, just practice good lighting and composition and you'll impress your clients. Eighth, offer personal shopping services. Last-minute shoppers are everywhere, and they're desperate for help. Become a personal shopper to save them time and effort. Whether it's finding the perfect gifts, picking up groceries, or running errands, this service is a lifesaver during the hectic holiday season. Market yourself as someone who knows how to find the best deals fast. This is a huge selling point. Charge by the hour or per errand, and watch the cash roll in. You might even get tips for excellent service. Finally, holiday side hustle supercharge, combine strategies. Here's the game changer strategy. Combine multiple side hustles to maximize your income. For example, you can offer gift wrapping services alongside personal shopping or bake holiday treats while reselling unused items. The more ways you can bring in money, the faster you'll reach your financial goals. Now it's time to take action. Start with 1 or 2 ideas that fit your skills and schedule, and watch your holiday cash pile up. Now that you know how to make quick money before Christmas, check out this suggested video on more ways to increase your wealth. It could change your financial future. Which of these ideas will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly tips to grow your income and reach your goals. See you next time.